Welcome to 9 to 5 Diet. Today we are cooking baked chicken wings, and here are your ingredients. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Add butter to the foil paper so that when you are cooking the chicken wings, they do not stick. To cook the best baked chicken wings, we have to cook them at a certain temperature and also flip them at certain times. So to start, preheat your oven at 400 degrees. So the oven is done preheating. It's time to add them inside. Cook them for 10 minutes. Time is up. Time to take out your chicken wings. Just be careful. Make sure you use some gloves because it is going to be hot. Flip your wings. Be gentle. Make sure that you don't peel the skin off. That's why we added the butter. This is going to help making sure that after you're done cooking your wings, you still have that nice crispy skin on. Add them back into the oven for another 10 minutes. So put your timer on. 10 minutes is up. Now it's time to flip them again. Now as you can see, the butter is helping so that the skin on the chicken wing does not peel off. It just comes right off. Okay, so now you add your garlic salt. Put them in the oven for 15 minutes now. 15 minutes are up. As you can see, they have that gold crispy look to them, but they're still not done cooking. We have to flip them. And we are going to add our garlic salt. To add them to the oven for 10 minutes. Let's take them out the oven. The skin is gonna stick to the foil paper, but just be very nice and gentle with it. Alright, as you can see, I was able to pull it off and the skin's still there. After flipping them, the skin is still on. For this one, a little bit came off. This one also. That one's pretty good, just a little spot right there, but I mean, it's still good. So now we put them back in the oven for 5 minutes and then we're done. We just want to make sure that these wings are nicely cooked and crispy. Time is up. Now let's see how these chicken wings finally came out. There you have it, baked chicken wings. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.